Roblox transforms group play with upgraded party system. Roblox is redesigning the online gaming platform's party system, making a few changes in how groups game and chat together. The idea behind this transformation is to further a vision of giving users a safer and more seamless way to connect with people while being able to engage in any Roblox experience. The newly developed party system lets users ages 9 and above create groups, enter matches as a single unit, and converse over text. After launching in October, the party will also introduce phone-verified users aged 13 and over to participate in voice conversations and enter experiences in private parties. For this, the new platform can take their interaction to a whole new organic level, setting up groups of friends and letting those connect and play together with much less friction. For the core team at Roblox, it's much more than a game. It's an entertainment and community hub. The extension to all features and services on Roblox means an overall extension of experiences. This upgraded party system marks one of the ways Roblox is trying to make its user interactions both safer and more interactive. While Party shares similarities with Discord, it lacks some key features. However, Roblox's focus on moderation and safety sets it apart. The platform may eventually incorporate features like streaming to enhance user experience. With time, Party can become a central hub for Roblox users, changing the way they interact with the game.